It's Juan here, the one and only at Surprise Ford. Allow me to introduce you to your Ford F-350 King Ranch, the truck above all trucks. Let's do a quick walk around.
In a world built on strength, there's one name that rises above the rest. Forged from heritage, powered by raw muscle. Introducing the 2025 Ford F-350 King Ranch. With best-in-class towing, military-grade aluminum, and a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel that doesn't back down. Built not just to meet the standard, but to stand above it. Luxury that commands the road. King Ranch is more than a truck. It's a statement. Power that commands respect. With 500 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, towing 38,000 pounds looks and feels easy. Speaking of easy, kick back and relax in your massage chairs. The 2025 Ford F-350 King Ranch. The truck above all trucks.
The King Ranch is a truck above all trucks. Let me know when you can make it in. You can call or text me anytime to schedule an appointment. If you happen to stop by, please ask me with the receptionist. Let them know you're here to see the one and only at Surprise Ford. Thank you so much. I'll hear from you soon.